Guess what, guys? The peonies in bloom. Oh!
My name's John. I'll be doing a try and pop in now.
Alright, this is what's on today. Even though we're going, we know where we're going. M8. M8. Let's go. Oh, it's a video. This is what we call grounding yourself, people. So I remember last time the Peonies, yeah, it said M8, but I know that it is by Edible Science, the kitchen garden. So we're gonna head to the right, and also they have bonsai house. I'm excited to see this. Oh, let's go. Lots of school kids. Lots of school kids. I really think it's a cute thing for the school kids to be down here in the peaceful, serene nature, you know? Did we used to do that in school? I don't recall. Oh, I don't really recall. But yes, the Peony is in front of me. Guys, we are here at the Peony Garden. Some are in bloom, some may wait till June. I will be back in June. But here we have high noon. It rhymes. Listen to me. God is in the building. Look at this beauty. You know, I was first introduced to peonies like a few years ago, and mine are due soon, but let's go see what other peonies are out. Hall of Fame is out. Let's see this beauty. You know, it's nice to see different variations of the peonies, because as I know, I only know the peony vici and the peony mask something. So we have here Claire de Lune. You know that song? Oh, how does it go? Down, 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 down. Ding 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 ding. Yeah, the peonies. The peonies.
These are fascinating.
Yeah, the peonies.
Oh, they're beautiful.
Yeah, they're peonies.
Interesting.
Yeah. It's like, you know, what they say. They're very good in the Chinese culture, you know.
Oh, okay.
How did you get from there to here? You didn't go and ground yourself in the soil with the man?
No, I didn't do that. I don't want to grow more. I'm growing.
No, okay. Well, yeah, these ones are nice.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
Okay. I feel like we see these ones everywhere. Well, I don't know if you guys see them, but I feel like I see them everywhere. What are they called? You see this label? It wants to hide and seek. Peony honor. Okay, so if you guys are looking for some peonies to go in your garden, and you like the look of this one, ooh, yeah, let's get into it. It's called Honor, guys. Welcome to the Peony Garden, a spring favorite. Q's Peony Garden is a glorious display of peonies from all over the world. Okay, so let's find out some information. Peonies are a group of plants farmed throughout the world for the beauty of their flowers. Some species are used in traditional Chinese medicine, while cultivated peonies are as popular as ever. Many with peony species are at risk of population decline or extinction. As you explore this garden, you'll find many species of peony from different countries and regions. You'll also encounter the multitude of cultivated varieties that have been bred here. Okay, this is why I rushed to come, because it said a short, spectacular seasons, that they produce flowers only once a year between April and June, and each bloom might only last a matter of weeks, you know? That is something tragic, you know? But it's May now, so like I said, I'm gonna come back in June. Maybe they're waiting until June to come through, and I'm just grateful to have seen some anyway, you know, or maybe some have come out. Peony Patanini. She looks like she's already bloomed. We missed ya. You know what the best thing to do is? Get them in your garden. Peony Anomala. Yeah, okay. Some of them have already bloomed. Ooh. It looks like these ones over there, the Honor. Let's go see what we can see. Yeah. Hi, gorgeous. What's your name? What's your name? Ooh, oh. Just says Peony, mate. The label went. But I've definitely got to come back in June. We have a hybrid one. Ooh. What's this over here? The official peonies. They come and go and go. Ah, okay. Some still here. Oh yeah. It's like they're like a cup. They're like a cupish. I love the shape of them, and the deep pink color. So here we have the officinalis. Where you come from? The officinalis. Oh, we've got some mating activity going on. Peony Argentina. So this one is gonna bloom very soon. Look at the colors of this. Look at it. Deep, deep, deep pink. This is what I like. Look at this beauty, guys. Oh, I need it. I need you. Look. What are you called? Miss William. Okay, Miss William. I'll be seeing you soon. Just look at the details of the leaf.